If you forget your Microsoft account password and cannot log into Windows 10, reset the password from another device that has Internet access. On a device other than the one you are locked out of, go to account.live.com/password/reset. Enter your email, phone number, or Skype name associated with your Microsoft account, and then select Next. If prompted, choose how you want to receive your security code. Verify your information, and then select Get Code. Enter the security code you received, and then select Next. Enter a new password, re-enter it, and then select Next to reset your password. Make sure the computer you are locked out of is connected to the Internet, and then use your new password to log in.